How to fix games not opening on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Right click on Start menu, click Run, type REC Edit, hit Enter on your keyboard and select Yes. Your registry editor section will appear. Let's click this H key classes roots and again double click on it to expand. Scroll down. Locate .exe folder, and after that you need to click on it. At right side, you need to locate default. Right click on it to click on modify. Set its value data to exe file and click on OK button. Now again scroll down to locate exe file folder. It might take a few time as we are doing it manually. So once you locate the file folder, click on it again and click on default at right side. Click modify and set its value data to application. Click on OK button, and once you have done that, you need to move forward towards other step. You need to simply expand the exe file folder. Here you will see different folders again. Simply expand the sale folder, and now you need to select the open folder. Right click on the default at right side of your screen and again choose modify and ensure the value data is empty. Now click on OK button, and after that you simply need to close the registry editor and restart your system. That's it, your issue now should be resolved. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching this video.